Hi everybody. This is the sad demise of Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, who was known as former President of India. Pranab Mukherjee is an Indian politician who served as the 13th President of India from 2012 until 2017. In a political career spanning 5 decades, Mukherjee has been a sincere leader in the Indian National Congress. Our former president, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, passes away at 84. Government announces 7-day state mourning. Pranab Mukherjee died at 84. The former president had earlier this month undergone brain surgery at the Army Research and Referral Hospital in the national capital. Earlier today, his conditions deteriorated further and he was in a state of septic shock due to a lung infection. Former President Bharat Ratna Pranab Mukherjee passed away Monday. His death was announced by his son Abhijit Mukherjee. Sad to hear that former President Shri Pranab Mukherjee is no more. His demise is passing of an era. A colossus in public life, he served Mother India with the spirit of a sage. The nation mourns losing one of its worthiest sons. Condolence to his family, friends, and all citizens. Endowed with wisdom, Bharat Ratna Shri Mukherjee combined tradition and modernity. In his 5 decades-long illustrations public life, he remained rooted to the ground, irrespective of the exalted offices he held. He endeared himself to people across the political spectrum. President Ramnath Kovind said in a message. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, India grieves the passing away of Bharat Ratna Pranab Mukherjee. He has left an mark on the development of our nation. A scholar par excellence, a towering statesman, he was admired across the political spectrum and by all sections of society. Mukherjee, in his long political career, served as a member of parliament 7 times, serving in the cabinet of several prime ministers. In 2012, Mukherjee was elected President of India. Congress chairperson Sonia Gandhi Monday, in a letter to Pranab Mukherjee's daughter, said that former president was an integral and prominent part of national life. Congress party and this general government for over 5 decades. In a letter of Charmista Mukherjee, Gandhi wrote he brought distinction to every post he held. He established a genuine rapport with colleagues across the political spectrum and he served our country with the utmost dedication. Gandhi said to Pranab Mukherjee's life over the past 50 years, minor 50 years of his history of India. For he played a crucial role both in shaping of course of events as well actively participating in them. Former President of India Pranab Mukherjee died on 31st August 2020 at the age of 84. After battling a long illness, he was in a comatose state. But his vital parameters were stable as per the Army's Research and Referral Hospital. He was on ventilator support after he underwent brain surgery for the removal of clot. Prior to surgery, he tested COVID-19 positive. He was treated at the Army's Research and Referral Hospital. Sad to hear that former President Shri Pranab Mukherjee is no more. His demise is passing of an era. His birth was on December 11, 1935 in Marathi Bengal Presidency, British India, present-day Birum district, West Bengal, India. And his last breath was on August 31st, 2020 at the age of 84. His profession was as an Indian politician, known for 13th President of India, political party, Indian National Congress, 1969 to 1986, 1989 to 2012, Rashtriya Samajwadi Congress 1986 to 1989, Kamada Kinkar Mukherjee father, Rajalakshmi Mukherjee as mother. His wife was Surva Mukherjee. Children were Indrajit Mukherjee, Abhijit Mukherjee, Sharmista Mukherjee, and his awards were Bharat Ratna in 2019, Padma Vibhushan in 2008. Pranab Mukherjee, Pranab Mukherjee served as the 13th President of India from 2012 to 2017. He has been a senior citizen. He has been a senior Congress leader and has served on various ministerial posts in the year 2019. Ramnath Kovind, the President of India, honored him with India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna. Our present Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, was among the first to pay tribute, saying he was blessed to have Pranab Mukherjee guidance since he took office.